No, me guys, I'm scaling Unintaka. No, guys, as we are scaling, we can't go. But my popo, they have went there. So guys, they have stayed there. Let me zoom in so that I can lead for you. Humming or removing plants or animals, it's a crime of official. Hello guys, hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like the video, share guys. Today is amazing day here. I have just come along here. Here it's Karura forest. You know Karura forest, guys. I have come to visit. So we have here Chris the Great 990. We have here Mapopo. Let them take the shower. First they are on conversion. They are in conversion. If they finish and they will take a shower out. So guys, it is among the largest forest in Kenya. It is a large, and it's contained a lot of things. It's contained caves, what. So keep tuned, always specified guys, and don't forget to watch the video until the end. Don't skip the ad, please guys. Don't skip the ads. You know, that's the only support that I want from you. Don't skip the ads. Always positive vibe, guys. I love you. I love all of you guys. So we are just around here, and I told you today it's my birthday party. So don't miss in my live. Today will be live. Don't miss. It will be fantastic live, guys. Ever. It will be fantastic live ever. So in next video. So this is the forest, guys. Here, you know, here in this forest, you are allowed to shoot everything. So me, I have decided to start my video here because my papa and Lil Chacha, they start their video area. So I'm the one who started late now. So keep tuned, guys. Let them take shout outs. Yeah, always positive guys.
Happy birthday.
Yeah,
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy
Happy birthday.
We are going to wash him.
By the way,
We are going to
we're going
wash
to
you
drop in the
in
ocean.
water.
Why don't you joke?
In fact,
Because you
we
are-
don't ask for
Yes,
your
yeah.
permission. It's
Yeah.
your birthday.
It's true.
Guys, today's
We
Gatangita's
take
birthday.
you, we put
Don't
in
miss
there.
the live.
Yeah.
Me, I'm telling you the truth. I don't joke. Me, I'm telling you the truth.
We can even
Guys,
push him here.
good morning, good afternoon, guys. My name is Mapopo. Welcome back to my I'm Gitangita YouTube channel, guys. It's Mapopo here again, guys. You know, remember this is my young brother from our village there in Nyabuhanse. Yeah, we are there like almost like 1 year from we starting the YouTube from last year, you know. Yeah, actually we are friends, we are brothers, you know. We are family YouTubers, you know. Actually we need your support, guys. So subscribe, guys. When you come for first time, guys, subscribe to his YouTube channel. His
YouTube channel.
Hivyo. Yeah, like that. Subscribe there and comment and share. Please make sure, guys, you don't skip this video. Make sure you're watching the full video, and
Don't
also
skip the ads, guys.
don't skip the ads, because you know, remember, ads is everything about in our channel, guys. So we are here, guys, together because I came for first time in this place, to visiting this place, to see our place.
Lakini mimi ni mzoefu, I'm mzoefu.
Me, I don't ask you. I say is my first time.
Hey.
It's not you. It's my.
So me, I'm tour guide.
You are the tour guide.
Me,
Me, I'm visitor tour. I'm visitor tour here in this place. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this guy, guys. For his
YouTube channel.
For his YouTube channel.
Hey.
Yes.
For his YouTube channel.
For yeah.
Evo.
Subscribe for this channel.
Yeah.
For him channel. Yes. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget, guys. Mapopo. I calling at Mapopo 23 YouTube channel, guys. Yeah. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Load to 10,000 or of us.
Yes.
Load to 10,000.
Load to 10,000 subscriber, and also maybe you can say that load to million subscriber. Yeah. Imagine, because by the way, in actual my dream is million subscriber.
So me, my dream
it's me is 10 million. It's 100 million. It's 100 million.
But always I'm on top of you, know me.
No, alright.
I'm on top of you, so I want more than you.
Okay.
So, me wa ukue chini yangu.
No problem.
You down. So guys, see the monkeys.
Guy.
Suchukue hata wewe.
Look at it,
guys. See the monkey. Let me turn the camera. The monkeys, guys. Little church is there. Are you hunting them? Here they are, guys. Wow. Guys, this is amazing video, guys. You know what they are eating here? Fruits. Here they are, guys. See, another one is here. See? Ona imekaa hapa Mapopo. Ona imekaa hapa. Here is these, guys. Usiitishe. Ona ndo huyo Mapopo. It's dume. This is a father.
It's a father.
It's the father, guys.
It's the father monkey.
It's the father monkey.
Monkey father.
All grandfather.
I don't see mother monkey.
This is yeah. Mother monkey is here.
Father monkey.
Father monkey is here, Mapopo.
Father.
Anaenda pore no ili tuichukue. Father monkey is here, guys. Wow. This is amazing. Father monkey is just here.
Oh, he stay one place?
Yeah, he stay one place. He's not fearing.
He don't jump.
Not jump. He's there.
Oh, so why he disappear?
He's here.
Come on.
He's eating fruits.
Oh.
Inakula matunda. He's showing us how it's eating, guys. See the child. He is the father monkey, guys. He's eating the fruits. Wow. Guys, it's so amazing.
Guys, mimi sioni bana.
Si ndo hii.
Father monkey si uje bana.
Kuja hapa.
Father monkey, come down.
Kuja hapa Mapopo.
Hey, he's here, Mapopo. Father monkey is here, guys. On a child, on his brother. Wow, guys, it's amazing, guys. Father monkey and their brother, they are here. This is the son. This is the son. No, el chacha. Ona katoku tondo aka. The child is here. The son. This is the son.
Look at it, guys. The kids.
The child. The son.
The son.
Yeah.
Wow. The son for this guy.
This is the father.
Look at it, guys.
This is the son. I'm not seeing the Holy Spirit. I'm not seeing the Holy Spirit. So guys, you have just seen the father monkeys and the son. Where are you going, no church? Chris in the Yule. So we are just heading to Chris the Great 8990. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to Chris the Great 8990. It's amazing, guys. He's the one who has bring us to this place, to this place. Little church is there. Nori utaumwa na kujoka. Uma with the snake. You'll get there snake.
Hey, my friend, be careful.
Be careful, my friend.
Tuanze kwanza kuchangishana michango hapa sasa hivi.
The church is over there. Wow, this is now a big forest, guys. So guys, we are just still there. There is here a lake. There is water. Just want to go and see.
Wale wenye mnapendanga mapiatu.
Mtaniambia.
Nilisema tu vile viatu. Ya geta ngita.
Hapo umetupoteza.
Kweli?
Eh.
Hapana.
The lake. Sasa si ni kambu umetupoteza. The lake is over there. We have been lost. We have lost.
We are lost. We are going to another sea.
We are lost.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm seeing another road here.
But there I see lake.
Yeah, I see lake even now.
Yeah, there down. I have see some lake, but I'm not sure it's lake. I don't know.
They have said that it's a lake. Lil Lake. Lily. Just going to see the Lil Lake. Yeah, it's over here. It's over here.
Oh, there you have a chair
Like a mzungu, guys. Here you come and relax. If you come here, you just go and relax. Here is the lake. Even it's not the lake.
There's some water here. I don't know how you'll pass, but for me, my shoes does not pass any water.
So here you'll pass here.
Wow, guys.
Here is very dark. So
Why is it called lily? Because of
somebody come with the shoes.
Because of these leaves.
Yeah, problem.
those are lily leaves. Check here.
Big here, big in.
So, why is it called a
Bikini
lily?
tena.
So the leaves, you see those leaves? Those are lily. Ayo matawi. So
Oh,
like,
he's calling it really.
lily leaves. Yeah.
Lily.
Lily.
So, but inside they have some fish or what?
I think so. There's some fish.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. You can fish, but you cannot take the fish. You fish, then you take the fish back inside.
Why?
You are not allowed to take them out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
But also you can just come, you sit yourself, you enjoy, you see how things are very cool.
Yeah.
You see there's some chairs there.
Yeah.
Even me,
really, I
let
see
me chill.
Yeah.
chairs here.
And the chair is Samsung.
But me, I
Chair is Samsung. Zimeandikwa Samsung.
don't ever see first to see.
Samsung, guys. Wow, just relax.
Oh, there.
Yeah. We
Oh.
are going to waterfall.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
you see them. So guys, this is my purple.
Njoo muone venye vitu vimeandikwa.
What's up, guys? My name is
The chair, the lake is a big lake.
This one, you see this
Actually, it's not a lake. It's like a borehole.
we just to show you.
But because of these leaves, please the great have told us that because of these leaves that are at the surface, is it surface? At the upper Juban. It's called a little lake. Yeah, guys. Now we're going to go where when the children they visit here, they come here and relax. When they come here, they relax. This is the place that children always come to relax, guys. I'm heading into that place. Guys, everything here, I will show you everything, guys. You'll be like, it's beautiful, guys. Really beautiful. Kenya is blessed, guys. Nairobi, actually, Kenya is blessed. So, here you come and chill. Here you come and chill. This is the tables. It's supposed with Samsung. Here, if you want to chill, you can come here and chill. Relax. Chillax, you know. Ready? You come here and chill. You know. Oh, just the children and see they are here. relaxing.
Outside the country.
This is from outside the country, guys.
I don't know. Yeah.
I think we will continue going like this.
To there or there, is there another no place thing to make?
Okay, we can continue.
Maybe you can around it there.
Sitwende hivi.
Hao wezi wachukua bwana, unajua ni wazungu bwana.
Oh, ulienda kushutia watoto?
Ni waliniita nikawasalimia tu. Kaambia nipige picha wakakata.
Piga picha.
Wataendelea
tu kushoot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go. So like example, what is this?
This one. What ukishoot?
Wow, nice. Oh.
Sasa hii ndio map.
Yes.
Map ya Karura.
Yeah.
Hii ni block A. Na hii ni block B. Hii ni Thigiri Forest. Hii ni Lemuru Road Forest.
Yeah.
Sasa hii umesimama uko hapa Mane Picnic.
Okay.
Pale uko. Umesimama hapa. Na unataka kwenda mpaka hapa. Number 26 to the waterfall. Ukiwa hapa sasa utapita hii mpaka number 4, 10, 11, 27 up to 26. Hii barabara ndio hii. Ukienda tu pale utaturn
Left.
Ukita left utaenda ukuta number 4. Number 4 uturn left tena. Hiyo barabara ni straight. Uende ukuta number 10,
Yes.
11. Ukifika hapa kwa 11 ni barabara ine, usiende hii na usiende hii.
Unaenda straight.
Uka tu straight. Ndio utaenda utakuta number 26. 27 sorry. Uone 26 imeandikwa waterfall. Uteremke kwa waterfall. Unaona kuna kanjia kako chini?
Yeah.
Hii ni mto, hii bro ni mto. Utakuta kanjia kako hapa chini. Uende uvuke bridge ya kwanza. Uende tena utakuta number 25 caves ziko hapa. Sasa ukitaka kurudi unaweza panda kuna tungazi utapata hapo. Kutoka kwa mto utapanda kuja hapo kwa number 25. Unaweza rudi kwa 26, 27, 28, 12, kuja 12B, kuja mpaka hapa.
Okay.
Kwa tennis court.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Let me check the picture of the map.
Yeah.
In case we are lost, I
Yeah,
just check from the map.
really.
Okay.
It's true.
So thank you so much for
Thank you,
your time.
bro. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Sasa hata mimi ni bure kabisa. Nilikuwa nimegeuza kamera hivi.
Haikufanya.
Shoot.
Noel nakutaka.
So we have decided, guys, we want to learn, you know.
The exercise.
Yeah, we want to do the exercise, guys. You know, we want to remove the oil from our stomach. Just want to learn. Wow. This is Karura Forest, babe. Mumechoka? Alisema aje? Left. Amu twende hivi.
Twende straight.
Straight.
Twende straight.
Hivi tuende left.
Twende left.
Oh, left. Oh,
Tuombo part. Dogs of leash.
Dog off.
Ndio hii kwenda.
Hiyo inaenda kwa umbo.
yeah.
Mbwa part.
Sijachukua. Oh my god.
Umbwa park.
Mbwa part.
Umbwa park.
Eh.
No problem.
So, wow. Just going along this.
Hakuna mti wa kustua.
And the trees are so tallest, guys. Fungulia huyo jamaa channel.
Huyu.
Eh.
Huyu hata nikimweka Facebook first ataniua. Ndio. Tuache ambivi mbora. Una shoot kitu.
Eh.
Are you shooting?
Yeah, I'm shooting.
Always positive vibe.
Tena. Naonyesha vile unafanya kijana mwingine.
Oi.
Na shoot wallahi, na sitakosa. Soon.
Yeah, soon. But there is no way that you'll accompany YouTubers.
And you
don't
do.
have a YouTube
Yeah.
channel. You see? Yeah. But don't worry.
Another junction. Look at it, guys. Here is here yellow. And
Where are we going to? They say we go straight.
So it's for us to choose where we are going. I think this cave.
Waterfall.
Yes. So and another thing is here.
To the Muru Gate. Eh.
This one here is a.
I think we go this way.
To caves and waterfall. Then
Oh.
we're taking this direction.
This
Yes,
way.
exactly. Waterfall is there, right?
Yeah.
The 1.5 kilometer.
Yeah.
1.5
I
kilometers.
thought that this place was far. The way the man was explaining to us at the map.
Yeah.
But it's near.
It's neighbors.
Yeah.
It's a neighbor.
It's neighbor. Exactly.
Here they have started renewing the forest. You know, the forest have been. You know, here they can't cut the forest, but the tree, when the tree is old, it fall. So here they are renewing. Here they have plants. They are planting another trees. So here they are renewing. Renew. You know, renew. Yeah, they are renewing the forest, guys. So the boys are there. Nabuhan's boys, we are heading into falls, Karura forest. So we are heading into caves and falls. So let's go, guys. Wow, this place is so beautiful, guys. This is not Nabuhan's. This is not Nairobi, guys. You can't believe this. Fantastic, guys. Wow. No access electrical wildlife area, guys. So it means that here there is wildlife. So we have already met the waterfall. Wow, guys. It means here there is waterfall. No, not water, wildlife. So we must be keen. Here you must be keen. India waterfall. Is this a waterfall? See how
What are these people telling
No,
you?
no, the caves and
No, this is the waterfall.
So we are here. We are heading to waterfall. This is Limur A gate. So here there is wildlife.
It's a restricted area for the wildlife.
Eh. Kuna kuna bike my friend.
It's very dark actually, guys. And the big mosquitoes. The big mama and big dada.
We have some jambo. Have our friends here. Are greeting you guys always.
Always positive vibe.
Yeah.
This is no recharger here.
Yeah, by the way. And I'm Gitangita.
I am getting it here, guys. Yeah, tuko makini sana. Yeah,
We are makini, man.
be careful.
Be careful, man. No problem.
No problem.
Hola,
guys.
hi.
Bro, hi. This conquer the Babylon.
Conquer the Babylon.
Yeah.
Yeah, very warm for keep it the fuck making, man.
Nigga, man.
Nigga, man.
Big man.
Big fuck nigga, man. The fucking in.
So, guys, we are learning. So, we have already reached here. Waterfall, caves, pretty, very 1 kilometer. Wow, no smoking. Wow, no drone. You know, no drone. They are not allowing drone here, guys. So let's go. No bicycle, guys. Here it's just walking. Wow. Have come from far, guys. Have just come to visit this place. This is Karura Forest, actually, guys. Wow. Wow. Mbona mnadanganyana mra?
Always positive vibe. So we are here. Tangita.
I'm just over here.
Nafaa ukuje nini? Tuende kwenye hapo hivi tumekaa ndani. Pole asubuhi.
So guys, we are heading into waterfall now. We're going downwards. You know? So let's go, guys. Here it's fantastic contest, guys. Warning, guys, no smoking. There is waterfall, guys. Wow. Let us go to the waterfall. Now here is the waterfall. Commando, sisi ndio vipenzi commando. There they are, guys, the waterfall. No swimming. Warning. They are warning, no swimming. No swimming. And at the waterfall. Yeah. Or anywhere else in Karura Forest. They are warning, no swimming, guys. Don't ever swim here. And at the waterfall, or anywhere else in Karura Forest. Here is the waterfall now. Here you can come and relax. Just relax. ever cool, guys. Nini? Yanaongezeka? So guys, we are heading into the caves. So guys, we have
You go.
we have reached.
Yo, man.
You know, you are lost.
Yo, man.
Yo, man.
Yo, man.
We go, man.
Go.
We have been lost, but we have come back. We go, guys. Go. We want to go to the caves, guys. Wow. We are going downwards. Whoa. We were lost, so we have. Yeah.
Imagine. Just remember.
The caves are here, guys.
Oh, so raining again anytime?
Yeah, rain cannot go inside here.
Oh,
I'm scared, man.
guys, look, be careful.
Eh,
Please don't go inside there.
Don't go inside. But here I see some like
Eh?
this one is the bat and this is what?
What? Bats.
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 Oh, it's bats.
They're here. Bats are here. The old are here. So that is the cage, yeah? This is the first cage. So, but we are going to the main cage just there. Up
Okay.
there.
This one is the first thing I used to need.
But I think this is man-made. That's one thing.
this man-made. This man-made.
No, I think it's there.
Huh? Oh, they have blocked the way.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Remember when we go there? We go to the place we came from.
Yeah.
Yeah, the place we came from. So we need to. Yeah, you remember we came from there.
No problem. Oh. So this is,
No, brother.
where are you going, Noel?
There is another
Come on,
cage.
chatty there.
There is there.
We need
Yeah.
to know everything about.
Oh, that's another cage. No.
Yeah.
Mapopo, what are you passing?
Yeah, I got me, huh?
You are trespassing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a honey.
I'm military.
Yeah.
Where is this water coming from?
From up. Can't you see it's raining?
It's raining.
Oh, let's go.
It's not raining.
It's not raining.
Yeah.
Then you've done some geography. But then today is Getanisa's birthday. Happy birthday. Don't miss our live today.
Yeah, live stream.
Yeah.
We will be live.
Like never before.
Yeah,
I think Getanisa, this is one of your best celebrations, eh?
sure.
Yeah. Not one. This is your first celebration. And it's amazing.
Guys, it's a very so beautiful looking sea. We have some photo here. Wow.
Have they said not to go inside? Yeah.
Yeah.
Caves of Karura Forest.
Yes. Karura Forest. Yeah, exactly.
So these are the caves.
Look at this, guys. It's
So
Karura
what are,
Forest.
what are inside here?
Wow.
They said there are birds
birds.
Yeah.
Even nowhere to be seen.
My friend,
Eh?
this one he has not funically.
It's so, how? What can I say? It will believe that, you see that there are some stones there.
And guys, when you see, I see here is some
Some nini. Scales.
some skeleton here.
Skeleton.
Skeleton?
Yeah.
Or what?
It's here.
Oh.
Look at it for this photo.
And imagine it's not raining.
Yeah.
It's the way it's here, guys.
It seems that it's raining.
But outside there, nothing is going on.
Yeah. It's so amazing, guys. It's so amazing, actually.
How many feet?
Wow, guys.
100 feet. From outside to the inside. It's like 100 feet. Imagine.
It seems like they found some scales. Like they found the skeleton.
So they're saying that this cave was possibly made by flooding and dissolution by weathering and erosion. Yeah, the cave that you are seeing here.
Guys, when you see here is like a raining, but it has not raining.
Yeah.
It's water from
You can just see, guys.
the other side.
The history.
Outside.
So they are saying here,
Yes.
that's let me post that from my side. They are saying here that this cave was possibly made by erosion, soil erosion, or water from the river. So it seems that this river, as I told you before, I saw that this river used to pass there, up there.
Yeah.
Then as the years goes by, the river started becoming small, thin.
Oh,
Yeah. So I think this is because of that. But the archaeologists there, I've read there saying that it's being believed that this cage was formed because of erosion. Soil erosion. Do you know soil erosion?
Soil erosion.
Yeah. Like this is soil erosion. Tunaangalia hapa maji kipiga, changi inaruka.
Yeah.
It's there is a hole that is being formed.
Yeah.
Like this one, you see, these are holes. So this is soil erosion. Yeah, this is what we call splash erosion. This one, when rain beats the ground and the soil moves, that's we call it splash erosion. So we don't know the type of erosion that took place in this cave, right?
And where this skeleton came from?
I think the skeletons came from because this water used to come inside here.
Yeah.
And because of that, because these are depth, now it was not.
It was
allowed
collecting like
like rubbish
Yeah.
going inside. But I'm not seeing those skeletons, those scales that they're saying.
Wow.
No problem.
Inside there is water.
Inside there is water. You can even decide to go inside, do your meeting.
I found these guys
Where did you find it?
down there.
Down there.
Yeah.
Oh. So there is, you see, what you are telling you, these are the scales, eh? These are the scales, yeah. They're here
the
with us.
scales.
Yeah, a scale. Yeah.
But this
honeymoon
one, this
or
one is not for
I
like.
think it's for honeymoon.
Yeah.
This one, a fish.
A fish?
Yes.
There is an animal that stays in the sea, in water that has such scale.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I remember when we were kids, our mom used to bring this one to the daga. So we used to wash the kuria, kutoa maganda with the makorokono.
Makonokono.
In fact, this is konokono.
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
konokono.
one. Okay.
So can continue.
Just moving, guys. We are from caves, so we're going back, guys. Wow. See how the water brought this, like the water brought the trees from the other side to this side. This river is flowing to the other side. The boys, they are there. I'm the last one, guys. No problem, guys. Wow, another cave is here.
Some parts are inside.
Yeah, but they never get inside. You always see how pushing the boulder. He is never to get inside. And also, I know maybe other side there,
Yeah.
you can have another thing.
You can consider.
Ni kama hapo kuna entry. Wow, guys, we're coming from over there. Wow. Alafu cheki sasa kimoda.
You're so tired.
You'll have a 6-pack. Soon you will have 6-pack.
By the way, this is out, you know. This our lounge, our tours is really so beautiful, so good. Yeah. Yeah, you are enjoying. You know, every day you are in the town. Every day, every time. You know, you pass from the stage, you go in the hotel, you eating, and then you sitting, you sleeping. You don't have any place like, oh, today I'm enjoying.
Yeah, today it's so amazing, guys.
Today I'm so proud for this girl. Yeah.
Today, guys, it's my birthday.
I think we've taken the wrong path.
Yeah.
No, this is going.
Guys,
We're going out.
well, we go back.
Here you are going out.
Oh, but it's another side because remember we come from this side. So this one I think is the another side.
So there is a river there.
Oh yes.
Huh?
Yes.
No.
Sulipeta River.
Yeah.
Have we crossed it again? We've not.
No.
Then how?
It's very not miracle. It's not miracle. It's a very beautiful and it's very
But we have crossed the river.
hard.
Yeah, we
Very
crossed.
important.
Yeah.
Now this river is really
Guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for joining. Actually, I need to end this video, but I'm in the forest.
Yeah.
You know, so actually,
Trying to look for our way out.
Yeah.
actually, let me go to
The
show you.
network is not working.
Yeah, by the way,
The network is
is not around.
Yeah.
It's
So-
disappear.
Yeah.
So and then
We have just come out of the. We were being lost, but at long last, we have just come out, guys. So, fantastic video coming. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, goes with name I'm Getangita. And don't forget to subscribe to Chris the Great 899. But just over here, we have come out, so we want to go. We want to go home now. We want to go to the town so that we can go to the national park. Guys. Keep on following for safe one. We're going over there, guys. Wow.
na hii lana